Hello, children. Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I hope you are all safe and healthy. So, let's start our today's English class part 3. Happy birthday, Sara. Now, teacher reads the complete lesson. Observe carefully and read after the teacher. It is Sarah's birthday. She is having a party. Her friends Aman, Aisha and Mihir are there. The children are playing musical chairs. Grandmother is watching. Father brings out the cake. It is a pink strawberry cake. Sarah blows out the candles. Everybody claps and sings happy birthday. Father, mother and grandmother kiss Sarah. Father gives the children cake and samosa. The food is tasty. Sara is very happy. Now, let's revise all the new words in the lesson. Birthday, party, friends, Sara, Aman, Aisha, Mihir, musical chairs, grandmother, strawberry cake, candles, samosa, food, happy. Now, let's do the exercise. Did this happen in the story? Did this happen in the story? A few sentences are given here. If the given sentences happened in the story, we have to say yes. Or if the given sentences did not happen in the story, we have to say no. The first sentence is, Mother brings out the cake. Mother brings out the cake. Did this happen in the story, children? Who brought the cake? Yes, Father brought the cake. So, the given sentence is not correct. Then you have to say no. The answer is no. Now, the second sentence. The second sentence is, Grandmother is watching the children. Grandmother is watching the children. Did this happen in the story, children? Did this happen in the story? Yes, grandmother watched the children playing. So, the answer is yes. Now, the third sentence. The third sentence is, the children played hide and seek. The children played hide and seek. Did this happen in the story, children? Did this happen in the story, children? No, the children played musical chairs, not hide and seek. So, the sentence is not correct and the answer is no. Now, the last sentence. The last sentence is, the children eat samosa and cake. The children eat samosa and cake. Did this happen in the story, children? Did this happen in the story? Yes, the children ate cake and samosa. So, the answer is yes. Now, it is time for the home assignment. The home assignment is, do the exercise, did this happen in the story? And write yes or no. That is in the textbook, page number 2. Children, I would like to give you one more task. That is, match the word with the correct pictures. That is, the word-wise exercise in the textbook, page number 4. Match the word with the correct pictures. That is, the word-wise exercise in the textbook, page number 4. Don't forget to write copywriting one page. Children, write copywriting one page. Thank you. Stay home and stay safe. Bye, children.